Well, happy Monday, April 23rd, 2012. There's my front door. And you can see there's yucky stuff all over. Yeah. Oh, but that's not all. See how low those tree branches are? They're not supposed to be that low. And then we have this mess here. We got about 4 inches of very wet, very heavy snow. So yes, here are tree branches that fell down. And you can see they were starting to leaf out, which is why they all came down. And then we come to this. See that nice broken branch? This is my driveway. Looks like I'm going to have lots of nice firewood that I hadn't planned on having. Isn't this great? Wow. Yeah, that's part of my driveway. You can see up over there, too. There's another one that's broken up there. Oh, I think there's some up higher. And it's raining now, so it's making this nice wet snow even wetter and heavier. And my pine trees, which are pretty much on the ground from the weight right now, which is not good. Yes, we are paying for the nice weather. And of course, those are my little burning bushes that are not in good shape right now. And this is a sand cherry. It was very pretty, but probably that's the end of those flowers. Honest to God. You see, I have all kinds of things blooming. Oh, and there was a branch that just fell. So these are my juniper bushes. Oh, and my crabapple, which is also flowering. See all the lovely little flowers. Yeah, under the snow. This just sucks. Man. Poor trees. And now I have a forsythia there that was blooming, and I did have some daffodils, but thank you, Mother Nature. And these are just little shrubs that are usually taller than I am. Yes, they're all bent over. See all the nice branches. Another nice branch hanging way down. And oh, my poor little bleeding heart. This has got a little shelter. This was my lilac bush. And you could see I'm getting caught in snow. And this is my backyard. How disgusting is this? The side of the house worries me. Well, there's some more branches down out here. Wow. Yeah. You can normally walk through here. Not now. Look at the branches down. I'm getting snowed on again. Yeah. I keep hearing branches cracking. Mother Nature, you are not nice. So, happy Monday, everyone. I hope yours is going much better than mine is. God, what a mess.